Hello everyone, this is me Robin. You know guys, these days education is really cheap. I mean, if you can access internet, trust me, you can avail any form of knowledge irrespective of its field within just a moment. But don't you think it's really risky and dangerous at the same time? You know why? Because these days we know that internet is feeded with overwhelming amount of data, and that data is of various nature. So when we pick up this random data out of our biasness, then this is really going to be very dangerous. You know guys, what is that crucial factor that really shapes our mind is that our way of selection. How do we select things? How do we pick up things? This internet is full of data, and when you randomly pick those, it's likely that you may fall into this trap of data. So what you are appreciating now as a data would certainly be a curse for tomorrow, and therefore we suggest it's better to be very selective in picking up your data, because this is going to shape your overall mind. And you know what is that factor, as I told you, which really plays a very key role in shaping your mind, is that how much biasness you practice throughout reading, throughout listening, throughout accessing this internet. It has been seen that people who are dictated by their biasness are more likely to develop their identity, which is also very biased, which means they have no scope left for further understanding and learning about various topics. They are self restrained, they enjoy this restraint, but according to me, it's really uh, like blocking of your own ways of improvement. Guys, recently we have started one channel with the name Sapiens Talk, where we really bring some new topics. What we do with these discussions is that we try to configure out many things which is completely detached from this political influence. We read first and then we present you. So guys, please join and visit this channel once. Kindly leave your comment, because we need your comment, and you can also suggest some improvement if you really want. You can also participate in these discussions by commenting. So that's what I all have to say through this video. Happy Hanuman Jayanti to all of you. Take care. Bye bye.